Hey nail queens, so I have been going on like a little purchasing frenzy, mainly because things are like on sale and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys like all the things that I got recently. So where do I want to start? Let's start with some dip powders. So I'm gonna pull over this package from Ciara's Nail Glitter World. She's a Puerto Rican acrylic company. They sell acrylic mixes, glitter mixes, the whole shebang. So I'm gonna pull out what I ordered, which honestly was not that much. I ordered 4 colors. Yeah, and that's what I got. All right, so what I ordered was some of their Valentine's Day stuff, and I was waiting for this to come back in stock, that glitter mix, before I placed my order. It went out of stock before I had a chance to order last time when they released everything. But I really wanted this glitter mix called Elegance. Is it this one that I wanted? Yes, because I think it has hearts in it. Does it have hearts? I can't see the hearts if it does. And this one's super pretty. Let me show you. This one's called Night Out. And oh, I know I'm gonna make a mess. I already know it. Let me do a cupcake liner. So I just pulled out the cupcake liner. So this is like foils, shards, glitters. It's just such a pretty mixture. So I just had to have it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, let me add that to my cart. I definitely want to wear this for Valentine's Day this year. I have on a color from Soul Dips on my left hand right now, and absolutely nothing on my right hand. So we shall see if I get around to doing this mani. I also got this color, which is a shimmer. It's called Viva Magenta. Ooh. And this one's called Black Cherry. So I bought these to kind of go with the glitters. So this one to go with Night Out, and I got this one to go with Elegance. So I look forward to playing around with those. I'm gonna make this my little trash bin. I also ordered some colors from Soul Dips when she did her Valentine's Day launch. Here's some of the colors I didn't receive, so I was like, you know what? Let me play around with these. Let me buy these. So this was the December exclusive called Bella. I was like on a spending freeze in December and most of January, which is why I had to wait for the Ciara stuff to come back in stock because I didn't shop during her first release. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous like red floral color. I think it would be great for, well, of course I just dropped that. It would be great for Memorial Day as well, I think. So I'm definitely going to save this for Memorial Day manis. But I ordered candy hearts. I thought this was so freaking cute. It's on a super soft side. It's got yellows and stuff in it, like orange. It's very, very cute. Probably would make a great color for Easter as well. I got Can't Take My Eyes Off of You, which is a foily color. Oh, I'm just making a mess everywhere. Oh, wow. It's flaky, not foily, flaky. Oh, wow. That is magnificent. I'm Yours is super foily. It's got foils and glitters. It's just super, super pretty. Oh, it's got so much going on in it. Only You. This is, am I missing a color? Oh, yes, I have it over here. Only You is from the January exclusive duo set. And it comes with this thermal called All My Love. So they were sold as a set for the January exclusives. Let me set those aside. I also ordered some stamping plates. So MoYou London was having like a 60-70% off sale. So I ordered some stamping plates. Yes, I ordered Christmas stuff because you can never prepare too early for next year. And as someone who does press-on nails, these come in really in handy when you want to do nail art, but you don't want to freehand it. So I got this because I feel like it's very versatile for all the seasons, especially that tree line stuff going on right there. Very, very versatile, not just Christmas related, which I love. This one is another Christmas one. I wanted it for the little orange slices and the snowflakes and the branches. I really love layering stamping plates. I think it's cool. They have like penguins, dolphins, stuff like that, birds, things you can layer, a butterfly you can layer. Like there's so much you can do with this plate. It's not just for Christmas. And another layering stamping plate. Now that I'm looking at it up close and personal, I do feel like some of the designs are a little too large for like extra short nails. So if you have extra short nails, I probably would not recommend getting this plate unless you're okay with like a gingerbread or little gingerbread house being like the full design on your nails if you have short nail designs. I also ordered the ET stamping plates because, as I said before, I love the whole layering thing. So I just love the ability to layer the designs on top of each other. And then another ET stamping plate right here. Look at those clouds. Those are so freaking cute. Even if you're not into the ET movie and you wouldn't use like the designs from the actual movie, the tree lines, the space, like everything that involves space and all that, you can have over the moon and just leave out adventure. Like there's such a versatile plate. And it's not just ET related, which I love about that. And the plate that I absolutely love, and this was like my main reason for ordering, was the Corpse's Bride, which they spelt corpse incorrectly. It's missing an E at the end right there. It's like when people try to spell my name and they forget the E at the end of Carol. Yeah, that's probably why I saw that. That's interesting. Oh, well, it's not like I would be stamping this part, but I love that you can layer the bride, you can layer him and her, and like, it's just like everything is layerable. It's so absolutely beautiful. They're so freaking cute. So I love this plate, and I was so glad I was able to get it because they have a different plate, another plate for the Corpse's Bride collection that I did not order. Oh, and I regret that. I so regret that. But I'm glad I was able to snag this. I also ordered this gel set. At the time of ordering it, I think it was like $8 or $8.99. Let me zoom out a little so you can see it a little bit more. I got it on Amazon, and I ordered it because these are all pastel colors. So this is a 12-piece gel liner set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, 12 piece, and it was pastels. And it's super affordable, so cheap. So it's 13 through 24. They have a 1 through 12 set that's more like main traditional colors, your standard colors. But I was like, I want pastels with spring coming up. Oh, these are so light. Such light shades. They do have a pretty strong odor to them, I will say. Yeah. I don't know about the ingredients on these, like if it's HEMA-free or not. Well, acrylic copolymer, trimethylpropane, triacrylate, dimethicone, bentonite, microcrystalline wax. Yeah, there's no HEMA in this. HEMA-free. Hey, how often can you say that about gels, especially gel liners that are here? It looks like it's it's made in China. Well, most of this stuff is. Oh, that blue. Hello. Yes, I love that. Let me zoom in. Oh, it's such a pretty blue. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this will look peachy. Oh, yep. My favorite color yet. Oh, that's so peachy. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh, and this one's like a shimmery, glittery. It's shimmery. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it has a shimmer to it. Oh, that's incredible. Hold on. I think I can tell which ones are so solid, 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 solid. These three are shimmers. So I just showed you that one. It's like a pinky purple. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so stunning. Oh, oh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that mint. Now this is what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so neat. Okay, I'm gonna have to swatch these, and if I swatch these before I upload this video, I'll submit, like, post a photo of what they all look like. So I ordered a few other things. Let me show you. I just got this in the mail today. This is the Rebel Nail collection. Oh, yes. Okay. So this was for their spring drop-ins, and it came in dip powders and gels. So I don't know if you, oh, the jars feel different than their usual jars. So I don't know if you guys saw their spring drop-in shades, but they released a set of 5, and they're like milk bathy, kind of like, let me see if I can show you, egg shell kind of speckled look, and I think they're really, really cute. As a press-on artist, I do not make my press-ons in dip powder, but I love dip powder, especially for myself. So I think something that was really cool is to be able to offer my customers these same shades, but in dip powder, I mean gel. So I'm very glad that they were offered in gel, so I get the best of both worlds. And let me see how much I paid for this. So I used rewards points, so the total of the stuff was 70 bucks, and I used rewards. I got it half off. Half off. Like, that's crazy. I don't know many brands out there that sell their products at such a cheap rate, and their gel polishes are only $7. Like, do not sleep on their gel polishes. Actually, please do sleep on them so y'all don't sell them out like y'all do these 3 freaking colors. They're impossible to get because they're always sold out. So it's Erica, Lotus, and Rosebud. I love Rosebud and Erica the most. I use them so much in my press-on business, and they're always sold out in Revel, so anytime they come back in stock, I order them because I don't want to miss out. Oh, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to do a spring set with these, not only for myself, but my customers. I need to swatch these. I want to see the comparisons and how they compare from the dips to the gels. So another thing I ordered, oh wow, they really packed it up all nice. Wow, so fancy. This was from Sundara. I think that's how you say her company name. Sundara Nails. So what I ordered from here was their chrome liquid kit. It's like, they come in like nail polish bottles. Let me see if I can get in this. So chrome liquids is a new thing to the nail community from what I can tell. And I know a very popular and very expensive brand released them recently, but your girl is on a budget. So I've been seeing other brands release it too. And they come in really small bottles, which I'm not surprised. This was like $45 for the whole set, and they're not sold individually. I will link some places that do sell them individually because I know not all of us want literally the whole set, but this is really cool. It's like you don't have to worry about powdered chrome. You just brush it on like you would nail polish and then rub it into your gel top coat, and bada bing, bada boom. Another thing I ordered from the recommendation of Dark Claude Claire was these jelly tips. They're 12 sizes, not bad, 600 pieces. She said these are shorter than the Painted Desert Extra Short Almond, which I haven't really found any that are shorter than the Painted Desert Extra Short Almond. So I'm honestly like, hold on, very, very intrigued. Very intrigued to try these out, test them out, see how I like them. It's not something I like plan on introducing into my press-on nail shop, but I'm always interested to try out new jelly tips. So if you guys are always looking for like shorter things, wider things, I like to be able to let you know like, hey, these are bigger, these are smaller, these are less of an apex, things like that. I like trying out things so that I can recommend to my subscribers, my followers who may be shopping around, recommend to them like, hey, I recommend these. So Yeah, let me open my last box to show you guys what I got. All right, last up in this haul, I picked up the Revel Nail Dip Powder Sensitive Liquid Set. It came with 3 liquids, and I actually picked up the whole bundle that even came with their nail lamp. I love having a backup nail lamp. One of mine recently, there was damage on it, so I was like, time to throw you away and get a new one. So I'm actually very excited to try out their nail lamp, and it was such a good price for this bundle. It was too hard to pass up, and I think having that little cell phone holder at the top was definitely a selling point for me, because when I'm doing my nails, I usually watch YouTube videos or something, and I have my phone propped up on some kind of stand, so it would be nice to have this little cell phone holder. And the bottom half of the lamp is removable, so if you do gel nails and you do your toes, you can remove the bottom so you can do your toenails, and there's a lot of lights under here, and it is pretty spacious, so that's a plus. It does feel very, very lightweight, I will say. I don't know if that speaks for the quality or not. You can also see that there are 4 time settings here at the top: 10, 30, 60, and 99 seconds. And my phone fits perfectly in this little notch right here. I have the iPhone 14 Pro for anybody who's wondering if their phone will fit. So I'm just playing around with these little time settings, and the handle, the silver handle on this lamp, doesn't feel very high quality. It is not a metal handle. So I just wanted to point that out in case you were wondering how luxurious this lamp felt or not. Another thing to note is, because of the feel of the quality, I have a feeling this is not an acetone resistant lamp. I don't know if you guys know, but the Ciara Sky lamps are acetone resistant. So just a note, that's why those cost more money. Anyways, that's it for today's video and nail haul. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It will help me know what kind of videos you'd like me to keep making. And please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.